Welcome, guys. Today we will solve a very interesting system of equation. Firstly, this type of system of equations was given by a great Indian mathematician, that is Ramanujan, and he solved its solution. That is, we need its integral solutions of this system. So we now solve this system. So firstly, there is a square root of x and here is a square root of y. So that means our answers must be positive integers. So we put some restrictions here, that is x and y must be greater than 0. I mark is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now I just subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2 and I got x plus under root y minus square root of x plus y, and here I got 11 minus 7. So here I rearrange these values. Here x and this is minus of y I put as is a bracket, and here it is minus of under root x and I take minus as a common, so here I got square root of y is equal to 4. Now here is x minus y. I can factorize is as under root of x plus under root of y into under root of x minus under root of y minus under root of x minus under root of y. So which identity I used? I used the identity that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, means I put x as a root x square and y, that is root y whole square. Now we have seen that this factor and this factor can be taken as a common, so I take root x minus root y as a common, and inside I got root x plus root y minus 1 is equal to 4. And now there is some interesting concept behind it. Here is a 4 and we need only integral solutions. So this 4 can be written as a product of two integers. That means this value must be integer and this value must be an integer. So what possibilities we have got? So firstly we do the positive values. So here what are the possible values for it? So I can written as 4. This 4 can be 1 into 4 or 4 into 1 and 2 into 2. So the possible values of under root x minus under root y comes out to be 1, 4 and 2. So I can write here root x minus root y, its possible values of be either 1, either 4 and either 2. Now these values can be 4, 1 and 2 corresponding. So the corresponding possible values be 4, 1 and 2. Now to solve this we can add these equations. Now when we add this value, there is root y cancel out, and we got 2 under root x minus 1 is equal to, we got here 5, 5 and 4. So the values of 2 root x comes out to be 6, 6 and 5. So root x values can possible of 6 by 3, 6 by 3 and 5 by 2. So here we need only integral solutions, so we can reject 5 by 2. So root x can be taken as values of 2 and 2. So value of x, here is be something 2 and 2. Okay, so root x comes to be 3 and 3, and the value of x comes out to be 9 and 9. So from both these possibility, that is 1 4 and 4 1, we got the value of x comes out to be 9. So we get the value of x as our one solution, that is 9. Now we find the corresponding values of y. So here x, root x comes out to be 3, and now we get the corresponding value as when we solve this equation and this equation. That means 1 time under root of x minus under root y is equal to 1, and root x minus root y, when it comes out to be 4. So we put root x is equal to 3 here, that is 3 minus under root y comes out to be 1. Here we got 2 is equal to under root of y, and from this y comes out to be 4. And when we solve this equation, root x is equal to 3 minus under root y is equal to 4, and 3 minus 4 comes out to be under root y, and under root y comes out to be minus 1, and this can't be possible. So the solution of this equation comes out to be x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. And we have taken here only the product of positivity dates, but there must be a negative one, that is when it comes out to be minus 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 2. So these cases are remaining. Now we solve this. So the another possibilities, we got square root of x minus square root of y comes out to be minus 1, minus 4 and minus 2, and square root of x plus square root of y minus 1, and the corresponding system is minus 1 and minus 2. So we adjust them and we get 2 root x minus 1 comes out to be minus 5, minus 5 and minus 4, and the 2 root x comes out to be minus 4, minus 4, minus 3. So here we see that the root x, the values of root x comes out to be minus 2 and minus 3 by 2, but root x this can't be gives negative values, you know? So all these values are rejected. So the only solution of our system is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. So finally we solve this system. So subscribe our channel for more such interesting questions. Okay, so we meet in next video.